Hi everyone. Before I tell you what Joyfulbloomessentials is, I want to tell you why it exists. A little over a year ago, I was dealing with something deeply personal and frustrating: hair loss. I had bald spots, especially around the crown area, and it was hard to look at. It had a way of stealing my joy. I felt vulnerable and discouraged. But in that moment, instead of running to a quick fix, I turned to God. I prayed and I asked Him to give me the knowledge, the wisdom, and the patience to find a natural alternative to heal my scalp. I was transparent with God about my struggle, and He led me to the art of infusing oils. He gave me the curiosity to start experimenting with His creations, the herbs and oils that He designed for our bodies. The process is simple, but it requires faith and patience. You choose a specific carrier oil based on your skin and scalp needs, a selection of dry herbs for that unique benefits, and a natural antioxidant to keep it all fresh. I created a precise formula and a blend that I knew in my heart was the answer to my prayer. The beautiful thing about God is that He doesn't always work on our timeline. I started applying my oil blend every other day and sometimes as a hot oil treatment. The change wasn't instant, it was slow. It was a journey of faith and not a sprint. This journey is why I created these products, and I've made my exact formula available to you. By purchasing this formula, you're not just getting a recipe, you're getting a proven path rooted in prayer and patience that has been a gift in my own life. You are also helping to support this ministry and a dream God has placed in my heart. Today, I have a couple of inches of hair growth. It's a harvest I've been waiting on for a year. And it's a testament to the fact that when you have faith and you ask God for something, He will be more than willing to give it to you. My suffering was nothing compared to the harvest of hope He was preparing for me. If you want to create the same oil that brought my hair back to life, the exact formula is available for download. Click the link in the description box to get it now. Thank you so much for watching, and take care and be blessed.